Hello friends, in this video we will see how to find inverse of a matrix. So basically, first, what do you understand by inverse? So if determinant of A is not equal to 0, that means if matrix A is a non-singular matrix, then A inverse. Now inverse of a matrix, it is denoted by A to the power minus 1. A inverse exists such that A into A inverse is equal to I, where I is what? Identity matrix. Okay, so this is the definition of an inverse of a matrix. So if A is non-singular matrix, then A inverse exists such that A into A inverse is equal to I, where I is identity matrix. Now the thing is how to get A inverse. So A inverse is equal to, this is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Okay, what is A inverse? How to get A inverse? A inverse is equal to what? Adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. We will see how to find out adjoint. So this is the definition of inverse of a matrix. Now suppose a matrix A is given to you 1 minus 1 2 4 0 6 0 1 minus 1, and it is asked to find A inverse. Okay, now we know what is A inverse. A inverse is equal to what? Adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Okay, we have seen, I have already make one video how to find out determinant of matrix. So if you have not seen that, you can find that video in the playlist. So we can find first determinant of a matrix. So it will be what? 1 into 0 minus 6, then minus of minus 1 into minus 4 minus 0, so it will be minus 4 plus 2 into 4. So if you find the determinant, you should get minus 2. Okay, so I think first step is clear how to find determinant of matrix. Now what is adjoint of a matrix? Adjoint of a matrix is what? It is a transpose of, it is what? It is a transpose of cofactors of all the elements of A, that is cofactors of Aij. Okay, what is adjoint? Adjoint of a matrix is what? It is a transpose of cofactors of Aij. Okay, now next question is how to get the cofactors of Aij. Okay, that means how to get cofactor of A11, how to get cofactor of A12, A13, likewise. Okay, so first you have to get one matrix which will have cofactors, and then you have to take the transpose of it. Okay, so I will show you 2 or 3 examples how to find out the cofactors of Aij. Okay, and this thing also I have already covered in my previous video. So quickly I will go through this, and then we will see how to get the adjoint of a matrix. So first step is find out the cofactors of all the elements of matrix A. How many elements are there in matrix A? See, there are 3 rows and 3 columns. So there will be what? 9 elements. So you will get the 9 cofactors. Okay, see here you can see this is 1, 2, this is 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so first I will tell you how to find out cofactors of A11. So formula is what? Minus 1 to the power m plus n into minor. So A11, that means cofactor of 1. So minus 1 to the power 2 into minor. Minor will be formed by 0, 6, 1 minus 1. 0, 6, 1 minus 1. Okay, so it will be what? Minus 6. Let us take cofactor of A13. So A13, that means first row, third column, that means this element 2. Okay, so what is cofactor of 2? So minus 1 to the power m plus n. M is what here? 1. What is n here? 3. So m plus n, it will be 4. So minus 1 to the power 4 is what? 1. Okay, minus 1 to the power minus 1 to the power m plus n is what here? 1. Okay, now 4. Okay, now what is a minor? So minor will be formed by, so you have to delete this column, this row. So it will be 4 0 0 1, 4 0 0 1. So cofactor will be what? 4. So this is what? 4 here. So likewise you have to find out cofactors of all these 9 elements. Okay, so here I have written the cofactor. So minus 6 4 4. This is the first row, minus 6 4 4. Second row is plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. And third row will be minus 6 2 4, minus 6 2 4. Now this is what? This is the cofactor matrix. Okay, it is formed by what? Cofactors of all the element. You have to take its transpose. आपको उसका क्या लेना है? Transpose लेना है to get the adjoint matrix. So this is the transpose. So what we do to get the transpose of a matrix? हम क्या करते हैं? Rows और columns को क्या करते हैं? Interchange करते हैं. So this first row it becomes this first column. Then 1 minus 1 minus 1, this is the second row, it will become the second column, and minus 6 2 4, this is the third row, it will become third column. So this will be your adjoint matrix. Now once you have got the adjoint matrix, we know A inverse is what? Adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. What is determinant? Minus 2. So 1 upon determinant, 1 upon minus 1 multiplied by adjoint of a matrix. So this is the procedure to get the inverse of a matrix. So if any matrix, if it is given to you, you can find its inverse. Okay, by the formula 1 upon determinant into adjoint of a matrix. Okay, so I think this thing is clear, how to find out the inverse of a matrix. Now there are certain properties of inverse of a matrix. Let us discuss that. Now first property is AB inverse, it will be equal to B inverse into A inverse. Second property, ABC inverse is equal to C inverse into B inverse into A inverse. Okay. Third property is A inverse transpose is equal to A transpose to that of inverse. And you have to remember, now this is a very important, sometimes it is asked directly in objective question, that if A transpose is equal to A inverse, that means if transpose of a matrix A is equal to inverse of a matrix A, then A is said to be what? Orthogonal matrix. A is said to be what? Orthogonal matrix. So you have to remember this fourth point. So a matrix is said to be orthogonal if A transpose is equal to A inverse. So hope you have understood how to find the inverse of a matrix. Okay, how to get the adjoint matrix and what are the different properties of inverse of a matrix and what do you understand by orthogonal matrix. So with this I am concluding this video here. Thank you.